I'm coming to you with the last Walmart haul of the year. Some great winter finds. So stick around and you can see some dresses, some great sweaters, and an amazing pair of black jeans. So let's get started with this winter Walmart haul. We're gonna start off with this dress. It is considered a midi length. So beautiful this pattern is. So it does have a mock neck that has this ruffle. So it's really nice and stretchy up here. You have your halter style top. Then at the waist, you also have some smocking. You got lots of room in the waist, but it cinches it in and makes your waist appear smaller. And then the bottom part has pleating, so it's really nice, great length. I do just have it paired with some knit style heels in this black, and I just think this is so pretty, you guys. It's expensive looking. It's from Sofia Vergara. Not expensive at all, but it does look very expensive. It's nice and comfortable and very flattering how it has that smocking at the waist. The material is like a satin style material, but the pleating detail that is on this just gives it such a sophisticated factor. It looks very chic and polished. It does run true to size. I did pick it up in a medium, so really nice how you have that extra room in the waist. It's a very, very pretty pattern. Now we're moving on to a more casual dress. So the first one I showed you was definitely dressier, and this one is very casual. It's got a slub knit material, and it's from Time and True, so it's kind of made out of that same material as the short sleeve ones are, but this is definitely long sleeve with a little bit of a cinch at the bottom. I'll show you a close-up in just a moment, but I wanted to show you how it looked full length, and I do just have it with some knit style heels. Now it is missing pockets, so it does not have any pockets in this one, but it's a really nice, comfortable dress. You can see the notched detail here at the neckline, and then you can see that it's got that seaming detail right here and just flows down below it. Here is the bottom of the sleeves. You can see a little bit of a band at the sleeves. Really nice length. Very comfortable. I did pick this up in a medium. You can see how much room I have in the waist. I could probably have sized it down for a more fitted look, but I like the loose look of this one. I think this is just a great wintertime dress. You can throw a jacket over this if you need. You could throw a dress coat over top of this. Okay, so I really love this pattern. Can you tell? I showed you the dress, and then I love this top. Now, it does have these bell sleeves, so they can kind of get in the way a little bit if you don't like that. This pattern is so beautiful, you guys. So I did pair this with some satin cargo pants. They don't fit, but I wanted to show them to you because they're a really nice pants if you get the right size. The pants are from Madden NYC, and I have ordered stuff from Madden NYC, but it's been shoes, so I didn't realize that this was a junior brand, and I ordered them true to size in a medium. I should have checked better when I was ordering them, and I could have seen that they were 7 to 9. I could have seen it was a junior sizing instead of the 8 to 10 for misses. So I should have sized up to a large to have a little bit more room. My issue is right here in the thigh area. It's pulling and it's very tight. Now the waist is okay. I have room in the waist. It does have a little bit of an elastic at the back, so you do have a little bit of room. They're so nice though. They're this satin style cargo pant. They have the cinches at the bottom, so you can see the little draw cord at the bottom. You can cinch that up and make it whatever length, and so that gives it a little bit more of a wider leg if you do that. So I did get these in a medium. I am 5'5" for reference. You can see where they hit me. And I do have them paired with a slight heel, but you can wear these with flats if you wanted to do that as well. It has some really nice pockets. It is a button and zipper closure. I thought it looked good with this dressier top from Sofia Vergara. This print, guys, I love it. So you can see it's got a deeper V-neck, and then it has this seaming detail right here, and then it flows below that. You can see the bell sleeve, so it has that cinching right here at the bottom of the wrist. And then you have the flowy bell sleeves below that. It has a crinkle look to it, so really nice, and gives it just that little added texture touch to it. Now we're gonna move on to these jeans from Sofia Vergara and this jacket from Reebok. This is such a good jacket. If you are looking for a nice, warm and cozy jacket, but it's not too big and puffy, this is perfect. So you can zip this all the way up, and it has that warmth that will go to your neck. Or if you're like me and you don't like anything at your neck, you can definitely unzip that and fold that down and you don't have anything up there. It's got some really nice front pockets, but you've got that soft feeling Sherpa, and then you have a little bit of a nylon material right here at the pockets, gives it a little bit of a mixed material look. And then you have this band at the bottom that is not made out of the Sherpa, but it's made out of just a rib knit material. Really nice color. This comes in a ton of other colors. I just love how soft and cozy this is. And then you can see on the inside, it does just have a really nice cotton material. It's not the Sherpa on the inside like it is on the outside. And I think it's super cozy. It's going to be a really great addition to any of your winter jackets and coats, this will be really nice and warm and cozy. It does run true to size. I did pick it up in a medium. And then I have it paired with these Sofia Vergara jeans. This is a really beautiful black. When you're trying to find black jeans, I have trouble because they either have that gray tint to them, they have a washed out look. This is a true black. The only problem that I have is I am 5'5", and you can see how long these are, and I have a 3.5-inch boot on with these, and they still want to hit right at the floor. But they are really comfortable, a really nice flare to the bottom of these. But I did size up in black or in white. I will size up one. They fit comfortably. The waist fits really nicely. It fits everywhere except they're a little bit too long, but I don't mind because you've got that flare look, so it does look really good with the boots. Moving on to this beautiful striped shaker stitch sweater, and I'm gonna just keep the same Sofia Vergara black jeans on for the rest of the try on because I think that they do look good with all of these sweaters and tops that I'm gonna be showing you up next. So this one's from Time and True, and it's got this really great stripe detail. I love how it variates from all of the pink colors and gradiates into the darker pinks. Really pretty. I really love these shaker stitching because I think it elevates your sweaters and it makes them look a little bit more expensive. So it does have just a regular crew neck collar that has some ribbing detail added, and then you have a nice ribbing detail at the bottom of the sleeves. You've got some slits on the side, and then let me show you, it is longer in the back than it is in the front. It does have bottom coverage. If you do want to wear it with leggings, you can definitely do that, but I do like to just do a little French tuck in this, and I just think it looks really good with these black jeans. Of course, you could wear it with regular denim as well, and leggings because it does have that bottom coverage if you want to do it that way. This does run true to size. I did pick it up in my normal size medium. So just a really great striped sweater with that really nice shaker stitching detail. The next sweater I love so much. I've got it in 2 different colors. This softness factor, I cannot begin to explain how soft this sweater is. So really nice how it has the slits on the side. You do have it a little bit longer in the back than in the front. You do have that slight mock neck, and I don't like things that really touch my neck, but you can see there's a lot of room in this, so it doesn't really get too close to your neck if you're someone like me that doesn't like that. And I just think this is so nice and soft and comfortable. So you can see you've got this ribbing detail that goes like bigger, wider set ribbing detail, and then at the bottom of this you've got more set together. They're a little bit closer stitching detail, and then on these sleeves you can tell you've got a little bit of a different design, more of a drop shoulder. Super comfortable. I cannot get over how comfortable that this really is. It's so soft. Loved it so much, I did want to pick it up in one more color. So this is a really pretty cream color. So here's the other color of the sweater. I loved this deep forest green color. Again, same sweater. It's got the slits on the side, longer in the back, really nice and just cozy and soft and runs true to size. I did get this one in the same size. Moving on to the last top, it's this great pullover that does have this button detail. Now you can put it all the way up so that you have it nice and cozy on your neck, or you can roll it down like me, leave it unbuttoned. The top of this has that Sherpa material, and then you have a regular sweatshirt style material on this bottom part, and then your kangaroo pocket have that Sherpa material. And then in the back you can see it's just a regular sweatshirt style. So it has that mixed material. The sleeves have the Sherpa, and I want to show you an up close. This is more of the finer gauge Sherpa, so it is not as soft as the Reebok jacket that I showed you in that Sherpa. That's a different feel. It is a little bit softer. This is a little bit more coarse, but it's still not hard or anything like that, but it is that different gauge of Sherpa. The inside of the kangaroo pockets are the same material as the inside of the sweatshirt, which is that really nice fleece material. It's got that brushed fleece on the inside, so it's very nice and warm. It's from Time and True, and it does run true to size. I did pick it up in a medium. All right, guys, that is going to conclude the very last Walmart try-on haul for 2023. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.